I came to Aashwasan about 8 years ago. At that time, I was living from this mindset, which is full of conditionings that I gathered from around. And I completely lost my access to my deeper voice. So my experiences were bitter. I always felt like a victim. I always felt like a misfit. I didn't know what to do with me or what to do with the world. When I came here and when I started my healings, my first experience is that I felt ease in my being. I felt like I'm home. I belonged here. I finally found people who can really understand what I'm telling. That was a big relief. It was a very long journey. Many mind constructs which I have kept in place, which served me, which made me feel better. Many things shattered. It was a very painful experience. But every time when I rise up from that, I came up with more understanding and acceptance of my deeper truth, who I really am. I got access to that long lost inner voice. That's beautiful. One thing I love about Aashwasan is it's not about holding you back. Aashwasan is about this absolute, complete, exuberant expression of this wild, magical you. That's beautiful. That's really beautiful, and I love that. Thank you, Rashmi, for holding the space for us. I wish you a very happy birthday of you.